Hi again. As promised, in this lecture, we'll discuss the reason behind choosing the Python programming language. Python and R are probably the two most widely used languages in data science. In our course, we'll be using both. Now let's concentrate on why we've chosen Python. Well, there are very few arguments against its usage. It's an open source, general purpose, high-level language. I would like to quickly go over these points. Shows that it is suitable for all types of needs, not only data science and machine learning, but also pre-processing, web programming, and just about anything you can think of. We will focus on its data visualization capabilities. High level. That's a bit more technical, but loosely explained, it has an easy syntax which is close to logical human language, and which is later translated into lower-level languages or even zeros and ones. For example, the NumPy package goes through the programming language C, and that's why it is so fast. That said, we have to note that Python isn't among the fastest programming languages. However, it is very easy to learn and use, and there are countless packages developed and maintained for it. Okay, now we have to install Python and Jupyter. But why? Following graph. All units represent different software. On one side, you have several language kernels. These are programs designed to read and execute code in a specific programming language like Python, R, or Julia. The Jupyter installation always comes with an installed Python kernel, and the other kernels can be installed additionally. On the other side, you have various types of interfaces where you can write code. They represent the clients. An example of such a client is the web browser. The Jupyter server provides an environment where a client is matched with a corresponding language kernel. In our case, we will focus on Python and a web browser as a client or as an interactive conda. a software package that contains both the Python programming language and the Jupyter Notebook app. Thank you for watching.